Hello friends, in this lecture I will tell you why we use core in the transformer action while performing a transformer action. Here I will explain you this by taking two cases, one without core and one with using core. Let us take two winding means two solenoid. I am not using any core. It means it is a air core. Air is present. No. And another transformer action I am performing by using core. Here is the first primary winding. Here is the secondary winding. Means two solenoids, primary and secondary. First I will discuss this case. In this case, suppose I have given a current. Okay, and this winding, by giving current, this winding generate some flux lines. Okay, this line. We know that in the solenoids, inside flux is constant and have a finite magnitude, but when it goes to air, it dispersed. Okay, it dispersed. So and it dispersed in a large amount of area. So the density, what density we get inside the core, I will not be getting outside, because inside the flux is confined within a very small area, so the density is more. But in outside, the flux is dispersed in a large amount of area, so density will decrease, almost negligible as compared to interior part. And moreover, whatever flux is generated, we are not sure that all the flux will pass through the secondary winding. That is most important, that all the flux should pass through secondary winding, but the flux has got dispersed so much that only few flux will pass through this, and rest can take this path, that path, or that path. Okay, so that is why we use core, to confine all the fluxes in a definite path, in definite area, and we want to have a control over those fluxes, and we want all those flux to pass through the secondary winding. Because if suppose the one flux generated from here and not passing this winding, then that flux will call leakage flux, and we don't want that case. And one more thing, if we are using air core, not iron core, then air core has very less permeability. It means it offers high reluctance to the magnetic flux. So for let's say I amount of current, the MMF will be Ni, number of turns, and I have given an I current, MMF. So what is the flux generated? Flux generated is equals to MMF divided by reluctance. So in case of air, reluctance is so high then so that the flux generated is very less, very few flux. So two disadvantages I am getting. One is it gets dispersed. Okay, or the flux generated will not pass through the secondary winding. Lot of leakage flux will be there. Second thing is that reluctance is so high that we will get very less flux for a definite amount of current. But when I will be using the iron core, the case will be different. First case is it will offer very low reluctance. So the flux produced is equals to MMF by reluctance. Reluctance is very less, so flux generated for the same amount of current will be more there. Suppose we are giving the same amount of current in both the cases, but the flux generated will be more here. And also, the flux generated here in this case will not go into air. Why it will go in air? It will not go in air because air offers a very high reluctance. So, and flux always pass through a very low reluctance path. It is the same case as we see in the electrical circuit also. Suppose this is this is a circuit. Okay, this is the 5 ohm and this is the short circuit, means zero resistance, and here is a 5 ampere current is flowing. So what amount of current will flow in this wire? Zero, because all the 5 current will pass through this portion of the wire, because it is offering very less resistance. Almost it is offering zero resistance, so all the current will pass through this side. This is the same case here also. Here air offers a high resistance. It as high resistance as compared to this core. So all the flux will pass through this, and all the flux will go through the secondary winding also. So leakage will be very minimum, almost zero leakage will be there. So our objective is achieved. Our objective was whatever flux is generated, that should link with the secondary winding also, because we want coupling. That's why we use core. Thank you.